Is it time to upgrade the ceiling fans in your home? If so, you have got to check out this one by Skylike. My name is Kate with WTI, and I needed a new ceiling fan like no one's business. So I am so grateful that we got this one from Skylike. It is a 52-inch modern wood ceiling fan with no light, which I really appreciate for the bedroom. You can see what gorgeous quality these wood pieces are. It's such a beautiful color, and it was so simple to lock into place that the whole family was able to get involved. But I really appreciated how the blades just kind of lock right into place, almost like a puzzle, and then you just go ahead and screw those together to secure them. So it came with everything that we needed, and we were able to install this and get it up and running, and instantly our room looks so much more modern and sleek. It even has a remote with different settings, including a sleep setting, many different speeds, and you also can easily reverse it depending on the time of year. So if you're looking for an amazing quality fan, you've got to check this out. That is my point of view.